This is a tutorial for the basics of Car Crash Studio. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more long-form content like this. Let's name it. Welcome to the base plate. Let's add a car. Let's get this car moving. Open the Properties menu. Change the start speed to whatever you want. Duplicate your car and click the 90-degree button twice. And now move it backwards. Click this button to test it. Let's fix that movement problem.
Sussurra história sem fim. A lua dança no céu desse cetim, tão cheia de cor. Silêncio que canta sutil esplendor. Luz na madrugada, luz na madrugada, sem direção, mistério no ar, o tempo respira, me deixa vagar.
Let's hit a road.
Luz na madrugada, emocional, mas não vou com tanta sombra, vou viver a minha vida da ação, e na fonte dos trucasa, cidade não dá.
Let's change the length of the road. Let's add a joint breaker. Let's add some scenery. Where are the cameras? I'm going to add a trailer. This is how you do it. Press the 3 dots and click the car. I added a horn trigger and a turn trigger. I have added a ragdoll that crosses the street. Brew. Changes the license plate style. I'm just gonna set it to Texas for now. This changes the skybox, for example, rain, snow, sunset, etc. This changes the scenery and grass.
Vento sussurra histórias sem fim. A lua dança num céu de cetim, tão cheia de cor. Silêncio que canta sutil esplendor.
This changes the time.
Luz na madrugada.
This option sets the gravity. And this final option changes the fog density. Let's test it. Yeah, I'm finally flying. I have one more thing to show you guys. You can change the car color. Thanks for watching to the end.